Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another review video and the Crypto Blue channel. In this video guys, we have the Kyoto Protocol token, which is a new token just launched on the CoinMarketCap. So guys, I will show you what is the Kyoto Protocol, the project of the Kyoto Protocol, and all informations you need to know about this protocol. Like you see guys, the token today ranked at 3,679 with a price of $31. There is no market cap verified yet and the volume of $150,000. The all-time low is $29.48 18 hours ago, and the all-time high is $32.37 11 hours ago. And the token guys available only on PancakeSwap. Like you see guys, the Kyoto Protocol in the last 24 hours up 6% and the volume guys up 55%. So guys, the Kyoto Protocol is named after the Kyoto Protocol 1997, the first agreement to be signed by the United Nations to combat climate change by implementing emission trading in the form of carbon credit. They aim to improve the utility, accessibility and transparency of carbon credits by bringing them on blockchain and implementing a host of DeFi applications through multiple blockchains. As carbon taxes become more prevalent to institutions globally, Kyoto Protocol aims to offer a solution to companies wishing to cost effectively offset carbon emissions as a little to be cost. Web3 accessibility allows end users globally to benefit from Kyoto Protocol's ecosystem by holding its native Kyoto token, which is supported through its ecosystem of DeFi applications built in partnership with multiple blockchains. The Kyoto token is initially distributed on the Binance Smart Chain network as 12 months Genesis phase before migrating to its own layer 1 blockchain, which will sit between all of its partnered blockchain DeFi applications. At this time guys, I record this video, there is 435,000 token and the total supply in 1,160 addresses have this token at this moment. And for their smart contracts guys, I just found 7 warnings. The first one, the token has a high buying fees which is 15%, as well for the selling fees also high which is 20%. The source code contains a function which can modify the transaction fee. The contract contains ownership functionality and ownership is not denoted. The owner wallet contains a substantial amount of tokens which could have a large impact on the token price if sold. Like you see guys, the owner wallet have 35%, which is a huge amount. And finally guys, a low amount of liquidity was deposited after token creation, which may indicate a low quality token. And finally guys, for their community, they have 2,300 members on Telegram. So that's it guys for the Kyoto Protocol for today. I wish you benefit. If so, please give this video a like. Also guys, don't forget to smash that red button below. Take care and see you later.